Hello everyone, we'll be making a high ponytail as shown in the video. So keep few section of the hairs aside and then tie the ponytail out of it. Now after tying the ponytail, take the hairs from the sides like this and then fold it together like this. So take the hairs, roll it and fix it on the back and put it on the sides like this. Keep rolling the hairs as shown in the video. Keep fixing it like this, fold it and put it on the back. Tie it like this and then putting the hairs like this with the hair clip and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this. So now take the hairs from the top and tie it like this. Now after tying the hairs, rotate it from the top like this. So now after rotating it, take another section of the hairs, tie it together and then fix it like this. Now rotate the hairs into each other and fix them together as shown in the video. Now again take the hairs and again fix it on the back in the same manner and then again fix it with them together like this. Now put a hair clip over it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail like this. So now take the hairs and tie it on the back as shown in the video. Tie half of the hairs. Now keep it aside. Now take rest of the hairs and make a ponytail. Now fix the hairs into each other like this. Divide the hairs and roll it. Now after rolling it, fix the hairs together as shown in the video. Now fix the hairs like this and put a hair clip on the hairs on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this. So take all the hairs and make a high ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts and roll them together like this. Now after rolling them like this, we'll be folding it upward to make a tight bun. Fix it on the top like this and put a rubber band and fix the hairs. Now after that, put a hair clutch over it if you want or just spread the hairs a little bit and then take the rest of the baby hairs and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.